Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this beautiful coppery spotlight eye look, and it has a little bit of a smokiness. But yeah, so I don't know, I was playing around with my ColourPop Take Me Home palette. I love these little palettes. So yeah, this is the eye look that I came up with. If you'd like to see how I came up with this coppery spotlight eye, then just grab a bottle of water, grab a snack, take a seat, and just keep on watching. So my eyelids are primed and I am going to get ready to go in with my first color, which is the color Issues, and we're going to use that as our transition shade. I want to really buff that into my crease and make sure it gets in there, being that we're doing a copper spotlight eye. I want to make sure that I have some really good light transition shades in my crease. The next color I'm going to go into is the color Sidetracked, and I'm going to put that in my outer V and work that right into my crease as well. I'm just putting that a little bit lower than I put that Issues color. Just want to make sure that the crease has some good transition shades. I'm going to really work that in there. Next, we're going to go in with a more precise brush, and I'm actually going to go in with that Sidetracked shade, and I'm really going to buff that into the crease, like to create a cut crease effect. I want to have that color really pronounced in the crease. The next shade in the palette that I'm going to take is going to be the color Saltwater. I'm just going to put that all over my lid. And it doesn't look like I'm getting too much color payoff with the brush. So I'm going to go in with my finger and use that, which is giving me a better color payout. So, and I'm putting that all over my lid, making it nice and coppery. I love ColourPop shadows. They are so pigmented. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Better. And that's going to be my little spotlight right in the middle. It's not really a halo eye that I'm doing because it's not that pronounced, and I'm not using concealer to give it that really halo eye pop look. I'm just kind of dabbing this right in the middle just to give the copper a little bit of sunshine in the middle, just a little spotlight, just so when the light reflects on it, it's just like bam. Next, I'm going to go in with the color French Kiss. And I'm going to take that right on the outer edge, my outer V, and I'm going to define my outer V. I'm going to really blend that in just to give it a little bit of a smokiness. I don't know what's going on with my camera. It looks so foggy, but I don't know. I cleaned it and it's just a mess. Sorry about the quality of video this is, guys. And this look takes a lot of blending and going back and forth with colors. So be patient. It's gonna look messy before it looks nice. So just keep on blending and keep on packing. Next, I'm going to go in with the, I believe this is the Tarte Sex Kitten mascara, eyeliner. And I'm doing my tight line and my waterline. And I want to make sure it's nice and black. So I am going over it a couple of times because this particular eyeliner is just not as pigmented as I thought it was going to be. So now I'm going in with the Ciate London Fierce Flicks liquid eyeliner pen, and I'm going to create a winged liner. I'm probably going to do this off camera because I suck at wing liner. I always end up messing it up, or it takes me forever just to do it, and the lines never come out the same. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Bitter Better again, and we really don't have a really light eyebrow bone highlight, so I'm going to just use that one lightly in my inner corner and on my brow bone. Just going to go with the theme of that golden color. It's such a pretty color, and being that I have it on my spotlight, why not? Next, I'm going back in just to make sure that that chocolatey French kiss color is nice and profound and nice and chocolatey on the ends, and blend it in because I really want it to be nice and smoky on the outer ends. And then we are going to go back in to that saltwater color and make sure that it's nice and bright in the inner corner. We just want to basically touch up on all the eyeshadows that we've already done, being that we have blended and we've added and we've blended and we've added. Just want to make sure that everything is nice and vibrant and blended and well transitioned into each other. So this is me basically going back in and packing on color and blending out color and buffing colors. And well, you see what I'm doing. I'm brightening up that spotlight. And as you can see, it really is a spotlight. I'm not taking it too far up. It's just right dab in the middle of my eye. Next, we're going to do our lower lash line. And I'm going to start off with that Issues color. And I'm just going to take that to my lower lash line. And I'm basically going to do the same thing. Just build the colors like I did on the eyelid. I'm just going to start out with Issues. Then I'm going to go into the color Sidetracked. And then I'm going to go into the color Saltwater for the inner corner. And then definitely define the outer corner with that color French Kiss. And try to connect it to the upper shadow. I changed my brush to a flat definer brush just because I feel like I can really get closer to my waterline or lower lash line. And I'm really packing in that Sidetracked color. And then you'll see I will go into my next color. I'm really packing in that brown color, that French Kiss on the outer ends. You really just want to marry all the colors together. Now I'm going to go in and change my brush to a smoky liner brush. I really want to buff this on the lower lash line, make sure that I mix and mesh all the colors together just so that it looks really, really nice. Now I've gone into that Bitter Better color and I've really packed that into my inner corner so that it can be bright. It just gives an extra little pop to the eyes. And then at this point, I stopped recording because I did all of my face makeup, foundation, concealer, bronzer, blush, highlighter, and my lips, and I set my face with setting spray off camera. It's the same routine that I always do, so I know you guys kind of get bored. I want to just focus on eyes for right now, so yeah. And this is the final look. If you enjoyed watching me create this copper spotlight eye with this cute little Take Me Home eyeshadow palette from ColourPop, then please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and please hit that notification button so you can get notified every time I upload videos. And I will see you beauties all in my next video. Bye.